Welcome to the world of trading and financial secrets. When we announced the disclosure of trading in oil, many asked, what is the benefit of it? And when we mentioned that it is a documentary that could make you rich, others scoffed. But our brothers who know the essence of this channel were sure that the presentation and title have a hidden benefit and a buried secret that will reveal a deep side in the secrets of trading and finance. It narrates the details of what happens behind the stock market and hides a side that reveals the truth about the world of trading with numbers in a documentary series consisting of 3 parts. We will start by talking about the world of trading and investment in oil, then the reality of cryptocurrencies and digital trading, and finally the story of the electronic gold mine known as Google Play and the reality of smart applications that have turned programming languages into wealth worth more than $1 trillion annually. We will explain to you the story of trading and investment, the full story between reality, fraud, and imagination, so that we can enter this world. First, we must understand the meaning of trading, which simply refers to exchanging an asset for another, or in other words, buying something for a certain amount of money, then selling it again at a higher price, hoping for a profit. For example, buying a Tesla stock for $180 and selling it when its market value increases at a higher price than what you bought it for. This is called trading, whether in oil, real estate, or companies. As for electronic trading online, it is exactly the same principle, but with a broker for trading and contracts for theft, which saves you from going to the actual stock exchange to request the purchase. Through an electronic trading platform, you are granted direct access to the financial markets and can place buy and sell orders through it. For a long time, financial transactions were done electronically only between banks and financial institutions, and trading in the stock markets has been closed to anyone outside these institutions. But with the development of the internet, anyone can now participate in trading without any hassle. Today, you can trade almost anything online, including stocks, currencies, commodities, and a whole range of other financial instruments. Here we reach a piece of information that is more important than anything else, which is that there are many trading platforms that only engage in fraud and scams under flashy slogans. This is the reason why this documentary is titled as such, as we wanted all those interested in entering the trading world to know the truth about this world and the extent of the fraud that is practiced in it. Annually, billions of dollars are withdrawn from traders under the pretext of loss or fraud by promising millions and promoting investment advice or leverage. Beginners often start trading in Forex and search for information that will help them enter this world. Forex is a currency exchange market and is considered one of the most active trading markets around the world, with an average daily trading volume of $5 trillion. Here, many available websites appear to attract beginners to think that Forex is very simple and easy, and that they can earn thousands of dollars every day without any risk or trouble. But the truth, according to official trading platform reports, is that about 80% of Forex traders lose their money when trading, meaning that the real winner is not you, but the companies. To enter the trading world, you must have a broker, as we previously mentioned, which is one of the secrets of Forex that many brokers do not want to reveal. This secret relates to intermediaries, as most trading platforms do not have licenses from external regulatory authorities for these intermediaries, and often the licenses provided may be worthless, meaning that your money could be lost in an instant and under legal pretext. The third dangerous thing is that there are many sites that claim to provide you with trading signals, the green and red signs that help you make buying and selling decisions. Many platforms claim to be supported by artificial intelligence by providing indicators for buying and selling, which results in large profits in a short period of time. This has become a widely spread global phenomenon, but it is actually one of the biggest secrets of trading that is forbidden to people, as the majority of these systems do not actually work. They have been developed by marketers to sell and make huge and massive profits, but not for you. Many people ask if this means that all trading is losing or fraudulent. Of course not, but the biggest winners, by 80%, are the companies, not you. Always note that success stories are shown of people who earn thousands of dollars daily to promote these platforms and attract more trading victims. They are the greedy seekers of wealth in a short time. The truth acknowledged by global platforms confirms that people make 20% compared to 80% for companies, but the percentage of skilled traders in the 20% does not exceed 1%. Can you imagine the amount of wealth that daily trading platforms and operating companies make from a capital movement estimated at $5 trillion a day? MetaQuotes, which manufactures the MetaTrader trading platform in the 4th and 5th edition, dominates the trading platform industry significantly. It is the most popular platform around the world and is used by retail forex traders. The daily trading volume in the foreign exchange market makes it one of the largest financial markets in the world, which also makes it one of the largest traps of fraud associated with the internet market. Therefore, the secret lies not in learning trading, but in avoiding fraud, sometimes under the name of loss, and sometimes under the name of the mediator. Although the above is only a very brief glimpse into the world of trading, it will open your eyes and mind against marketing campaigns and dreams of millions, making you aware of fraud and scams. Even if the company and all trading intermediaries are 100% reliable, the possibility of losing money remains very high, especially when using the leverage option, which allows you to trade in multiples of your deposited capital in the company, sometimes up to $500 for every $1. You should be aware, those who fear God in earning it, that most trading options revolve between suspicion and prohibition. And with this statement, we begin our journey to uncover the world of trading, investment, and technological development on the internet, starting with the world of oil trading. Oil has great uses in manufacturing, transportation, and energy generation, but its great impact on the global economy makes it one of the fastest moving markets, with oil trading opportunities being extremely volatile, making it difficult even for skilled traders. There are two types of oil that are used as reference gauges for its activation, namely West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude oil, which are traded on the Intercontinental Exchange and the New York Mercantile Exchange. Regarding West Texas Intermediate, it is abbreviated as WTI crude oil, which is a crude oil extracted and produced in the United States. It is also referred to as Texas Sweet Light crude oil and described as light due to its lower density compared to the crude oil produced by most OPEC countries. It is referred to as sweet due to its lower sulfur compound content. The second type is Brent crude oil, extracted from the North Sea, and is also light and sweet like the West Texas Intermediate crude oil. The prices of West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude oil are strongly correlated, but in February 2011, the price difference between the two exceeded $15. Trading in oil is conducted in popular markets such as American crude oil and Brent crude oil, as well as investment funds that deal with various oil types and related assets in order to achieve profit. Its price experiences large fluctuations due to changes in supply and demand, as well as political factors. Trading in oil is popular, but can be difficult. This trading is not actual ownership of the oil, but the use of contracts for differences, CFD, through trading either at spot prices or futures contracts or options. To understand this, one must understand the principle of trading CFDs. CFDs are agreements between a buyer and a seller. The value of this agreement or contract is based on the basic principle at the end of the contract when the contracting parties decide to close the deal. The seller pays the difference between the current price of the asset and the price when the buyer opened the deal, if the value of the underlying asset has increased. Conversely, if the value of the asset has decreased and the difference between the current price and the initial base price is negative, the buyer will pay the difference to the seller. In these contracts, traders bet on the price movement up or down. If prices rise, traders will buy, and when prices begin to decline, traders will sell. The net difference between the purchase price and the selling price represents the profit or loss in trading. There is a type of trading that involves all commodities, including oil, which is more forbidden than others. Binary options trading is a pure form of betting within a specified time frame, such as predicting the price of Brent crude oil rising by a few cents within the next minute. This process is based on gambling. However, this method is the most commonly used trading method worldwide because it provides substantial profits for companies who laugh at the minds of beginners and adventurers. Investing in oil involves speculating in the prices of investment funds and oil company stocks, which is completely different. In simpler terms, buying stocks and holding onto them in hopes of their value increasing with the rise in oil prices and revenues, as well as owning shares in companies to have voting rights and receive any payout. Did you know that oil prices have increased nearly fivefold since the beginning of the pandemic? This unprecedented increase has lured institutional investment funds into the market and helped achieve significant gains in the energy sector. Whenever there is a collapse in oil or gold prices, know that there is an unprecedented rise coming. This trick is always employed by America to obtain oil at cheaper prices and then store and sell it at higher prices. At the same time, America takes the role of being afraid of agreed-upon lower prices with the alliance countries in the Middle East. So don't be fooled by America's performances. The secret to profit is not in trading in the gambling system, but through owning shares, which trading companies do not want people to know. In 2019, German billionaires invested in oil shares rather than trading, and today their wealth has multiplied by 5 times. Investment in shares is not based on ignorance, but through reading global plans and policies that are written in silence between deep state institutions. In the second part, we will continue explaining this deep world by revealing the game of cryptocurrencies and digital trading platforms, and presenting you with significant secrets about the size and methods of this dark place on the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below on what you liked about it. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We really appreciate your support, and it helps us create better videos for you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload from us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.